Okay, guys, let's continue our lesson, page 301 in example 2, right? So we are on module 6, lesson 3. Write and solve, write and solve two-step equations. We are on page 301. 301, and today is 7 November, right? But we are in example 2. We said in this lesson we will write the equation and solve it, right? We know how to solve it from the previous lesson. But in this lesson, we need to write the equation, then we solve it. But let's go to example 2 directly. We did example 1 and we did the check of it, right? Let's go to example 2. Yeah, let's read together. Diego's aquarium. You know the aquarium? Like the fish, you put fish inside it with water. Contains how much? 30.5 gallons of water. So this aquarium contains 30.5 gallons of water. He drains the water. What's the meaning of drains the water? He opened the, what we call it? Huh? Yeah. The water will be decreased. You understand? The water will be decreased. Right. So he drained the water at rate of 5 gallons per a minute. So in example 2, the total gallons, how much? The whole gallons of water, how much? 30.5, right? So we have 30.5 gallons of water. And he drains the water at rate of 5 gallons per what? Per minute. Yani in each minute, the water will decrease how much? 5 gallons in each minute. But if you have 2 minutes, 3 minutes, we are multiplying the number of the minutes by the 5, which is the number of the gallons per 1 minute. Okay, but write and solve an equation to determine in how many minutes the amount of water will reach 10.5 gallon, right? So focus with me. The total amount of the water is how much? 30.5. Now the water decreased or increased? Decreased by passing of time, right? So we'll write minus or subtract or add minus. Stop. We said minus how much? How many minutes? Do we know how many minutes? Let m be what? The number of the minutes. We don't know how many minutes. So here I will let m be the number of what? Of minutes. But in each minute, the water decreased how much? 5. But in 2 minutes, we said 10. 3 minutes, 15. 4 minutes. So we are multiplying the number of the minutes by the 5. But if we have n minutes, how much will be decreased? 5 m. We're multiplying m by 5, right? So 30.5 minus what? 5 multiply mean m. Will reach how much? So the total money 30.5, right? decreased, drains, decreased, minus. Each minute 5. M minutes 5 multiply M, right? فاهمين ال 5 multiply M هذه will reach 10.5. This is the equation, right? This is what? The equation. Now we need to solve it to know how many minutes this water, 30.5 gallons, will be 10.5 gallons. Got it? So here, let's solve it. How we solve it? Where is the connected number here? Our variable is M, right, Ya Hussein? Where is the connected number? 30.5. And the coefficient is how much? -5, right? So here I need to get rid of the connected number, which is 30.5. I'll push it to the other side. It will be -5M equal 10.5 minus 30.5, right? صح? So -5M equal 10.5 minus 30.5, -20, right? Right. Now how we will solve this equation? -5M equal -20. Yeah. We divide both sides by the coefficient, which is -5. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient -5. These are guns, so it will be what? 4-ish. 4 minutes. What's this mean? Now, the money at the first, the money at the first has or was how much? 30.5. He drains the water. How many minutes? The water will be 10.5. Got it? Make it, and tell me how. Turn them to fractions, then do the steps and tell me how, okay? Yeah. So M is how much, guys? 4 minutes. How to subtract two mixed numbers, Yabni? Let's go to the check after this example. Mashi, do it. 10.5, Yabni, minus 30.5. Over, do the other one and make subtraction of the fractions. Yes, sir, I take the answer. I found the answer, the final answer. Do it. Fractions. You know how to deal with the fractions. ايش 20 gallons يا ابني؟ Yeah. 4 minutes. 20, yeah. هلا 30.5 minus 20 10.5. مش هيك؟ طيب. Let's go to the check together. خلاص؟ فاهم يا نجم؟ يلا ريد. مين؟ شيل هذه وريد. يلا. علي صوتك. Amelia. Guys, in the online, we are in the check page 302. Please focus. Go. علي صوتك. So, wait. Amelia started with قديش معها فلوس؟ 54. Let's prepare the informations of the question. Okay, guys? So here, Amelia, in the check. We are on the check. Which page? Yeah, we are on the check page 300-2. Yeah, Amelia Malha has how much money? 54. So the whole amount of money get there 54. So we have 54-ish. Continue. Spent will decrease or increase? The money will decrease. صح؟ بتصرف. مظبوط. So 54 spent what? أيوة. For what? $6. Wait. So Amelia has 54. Spend $6 each day. كل يوم شو بتصرف؟ $6 خلاص. Each day. Continue. As what? At a camp. يلا. She has $18. قديش ضل معها؟ Do we know how many days she spent in the camp? No. Continue. D. So they call how many days? The number of the days what? D. So here I will say let D be the number of what? Number of days. Right. Now let's try to make the equation. She has $54. Each day she spent $6. But assume that she spent 2 days in the camp. $12. So I multiply 2 by 6, right? 3 days. 18 means 3 multiply. So the number of the days multiply 6. Check. What is the number of the days? D. I don't know it. So this 54 minus or a plus? Minus. So I will start with the 54. Who can tell me the equation? Yes, Sam. Minus 6D. She has left how much? 18. So 54 minus 6 multiply the number of the days, which is D. I don't know it. She has left 18. This is the equation, right? Read the equation. Understand it. She has 54. Each day she spent $6. I don't know the number of the days, right? So 6 multiply the number of the days. فاهم يا ركان? She has left قد ايه؟ 18. So 654 minus 6D equals. Now I need to know the number of the days, which is D. So I need to solve this equation, right? Let's solve this equation, which will shift mean. Yeah. So here 54, sorry, negative 6D. Don't forget the negative with the 6, huh? Equals 18 minus, صح? Negative 6D equal 18 minus 54. Subtract with the bigger sign. 36. مظبوط? So divide by negative 6 both sides. D will be what? Positive or negative? 6 days. Now let's check the answer. She has what? Already 54. Each day she spent $6. But if she spent in the camp 6 days, means how much she spent? 36. 6 by 6, right? But 54 minus 36, 80. Got it? فهمنا الidea? فهمنا الidea. Copy this, check, please. Guys who late, you need to watch the video, okay? طيب هلا part A, they want us to choose the equation, which is which one? D, the last one. So choose the equation in part A. In part B, you need to solve the equation. Okay, we are done with this lesson, guys. Now let's go to your homework. Your homework, sit down there. Okay, solve your homework at your home. Try to know the equation. Try to know the equation as we did. You need to watch the video, the previous one and this one, to understand the idea very well. Done? Then try to solve your homework, page 305. Okay, 305. Don't forget that. Now let's go directly to lesson what? 4, page 307. Again, the students who became late. 20 minutes late. You need to watch the videos. Okay? Who's writing? Who's still writing for this one? This is the check page 302. Done writing? Done? Yeah. Yep. Don't solve the homework before studying the lesson. You need to study the lesson. How we study the lesson? We re-solve. What's the meaning of re-solve? Do it again, the examples and the check questions while you are watching the video. As you watch the lesson again, then you got to solve your homework, okay? Study, then solve. Study, then solve. Done? This check done. Let's go to example 4, page 307. Yeah. Sorry. So, module 6, lesson 4. Module 6, lesson 4. Solve another two-step equation, but with different form. Now the form is P, طلع على البورد بفهم التايتل. P is a number. P is what? A number. With parentheses, what's between them? So P multiply this parenthesis. Inside the parentheses, X plus Q, all equal, okay? All equal R. Right. هذا page 307. And we are in 7 November. Done? Now طلع البورد عشان نفهم idea. Sorry. Now the first step here to solve this form of equation, again, P, Q, and R are what? Numbers, are real numbers. Our variable here in the title is what? X. X is the variable, okay? Now the first step to solve this equation is to get rid of the parentheses. To get rid, نخلص من parentheses. How? By distributing mean the P. By distributing, remember the expanding? We took something like 3 multiply مثلا 3x plus 7. We expand the 3, we distribute it by multiplying. Remember? 3 by 3x, 9x plus 3 by 7, 21. We did that before, and we call it what? Expansion. Now, we call it expansion or to distribute, the distributive property also we call it. So here the first step is to get rid by this parenthesis by distributing the P over the parentheses, okay? So P multiply X, PX, P multiply Q, PQ. PQ هم both numbers, right? It will be one number. All equal. Let's take example. For example, to solve 5 with 2x plus 6 all equal 40. Okay, all equal 40. Right. This is the P. The P is what? 5. X, I replace it by 2x, the variable in general. Then Q is 6. Let's solve it. How we solve it? First, we distribute mean the 5 on the parentheses. It will be, don't put this equal because you have equal already here. It will be 5 times 2x, 10x. 5 times 6, 30. All equal. Now it become our two-step equation, which we did in the previous two lessons, right? صح? Now, how we get rid of mean connected number? Shift it, then divide by what? By 10 both sides. So here 10x equals 40 minus 30. 10x equals 10. Divide on 10 both sides. X will be what? 1. So this is our variable, right? X is what? 1. Now to check our answer, replace this X here by this one. This replace mentally, huh? 2 multiply 1, 2. 2 plus 6, 8. Now 8 multiply 5. Done? Done. Let's do example 1 directly, me and you. So we are in example 1, page 308. So example 1, page 308. Solve the following equation. 3 multiplied by x plus 2, sorry, x plus 5, all equal 45, right? مظبوط? There. Now we said the first step, you need to get rid of this parenthesis by distributing mean the 3 over it, right? So 3 will distribute it by multiplying with x and with 5. So here, let's distribute the 3. 3 multiply x and the 3 multiply, it will be 3 times x, 3x plus 3 times 5, all equal two-step equation. Shift, then divide. So here, this 15, I will shift it to the other side. It will be 3x equal 45 minus 3x equal 30. Now divide by the coefficient in both sides. X equal 10. Now let's check our answer mentally. Replace x up here by what? By the 10. 10 plus 5, 15 multiply 3. Okay? Done. فهمنا idea. Let's do the check together. We are on the check page 309. One way is enough. One way is enough. Yalla, check. Page 308. Solve. Okay, 309. Solve 2 multiplied by x plus 4, all equal negative 20. ها do it. يلا روح اشتغلوا على الكتاب. يلا do it يا عبد الاله. يلا يلا. I want to hear answers. No, no, no. I want some students, please. يلا. What you are doing, Wafi? Do the question. Quickly. ها يلا يا حسين what's your answer I'm asking you your answer يلا continue we are waiting we are waiting good ها حسين 5 ها تميم ايش بتقول what's x equal يا ابني اها عبد الله نيجاتيف 12 ها else عبد الاله 4 good يس يا نجوم نيجاتيف 14 طب يعني distribute عادي يا 2 by x 2x عادي 2x 2 by 4 8 صعبة هاي equal negative 20 ايش المشكلة يعني then what we do yes يا عمر shift the 8 positive 8 there it will be negative 8 ما بنعرفهاش صح اول مرة بنعملها طبعا most of you اللي عمل نيجاتيف 6 عمل 20 minus 8 حط نيجاتيف 12 حط 12 ما بنعرف انه two similar signs we add and put the same sign هذه ما اول مره بتمر علينا يعني انا اسف بعطيكم معلومات جديده عمالي معلش تحملونا I'm sorry I'm sorry I'm giving you new informations we didn't take it before never divide واحد بحكي لي 6x الانسر واحد بحكي لي 6x ايش الانسر 6x هذا كيف وسع هيك كيف طلع الانسر كيف يعني 6x دارف كيف يعني وين ال 6x يعني كيف تطلع معك يعني كيف طلعت معك 6x ها what you said ماشي اوكي انا كنت سامع غلط يا اخي غلط، انا سمعت غلط، خلاص ام سوري. مين اللي حكى 6 اكس؟ انت حكيت 6 اكس؟ نيجاتيف 6 يعني يعني هيك زبطتها انت. ما شاء الله ما شاء الله. ركز يا ابني ركز، فوكس فوكس. ما انت بتلعب جيم بتلاقيك عيونك هيك حاطي عيونك فيها وحالتك حالي ومركز 100%. بتلاقيك بالببجي هناك وشايفه ومركز عليه مظبوط. طب ركز بهذا شوي شوي، مش طالب منك هم 40 دقيقة ركز فيهم. عندك فاينل تيست after 2 weeks اشوفك فيه. Example 2. Stop talking. Five with n minus 2 all equal negative 30. I new idea هذه. Distribute the 5. It will be 5n minus 5 by 2, 10 equal minus 30. Shift the negative 10. 5n, it will be minus 30 plus 10. هذه مش 40 ولا 20، هذه negative 20. ما جديدة. subtract with the bigger sign. جديدة. أنا عم بعطيكم معلومات جديدة معلش. I'm sorry. (5n) equal negative 20. Divide on 5 both sides. N equal negative 4. That's all for today.